how to use Blocksy WordPress theme. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a tutorial on Blocksy WordPress theme, how to use Blocksy to create an innovative website for your business. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you can simply go ahead and check out a Blocksy. So you can go to blocksy.com or creativethemes.com/Blocksy and it'll take you right here. Blocksy is one of the very famous website themes out there for WordPress, and it has a lot of different features and tools for us to help us create a highly customizable website with a lot of different interactive designs. So today I'll show you how to add Blocksy to your WordPress and how we can use it to create different websites. I also have a lot of website examples for you to show you how Blocksy actually looks and how the website created on Blocksy look like. So let's start with that, and let me take you few of the websites created with Blocksy. So you can see right here, this is one of the websites that is created with Blocksy. You can see how good it looks. You can see the header right here, and we have this banner image, and then we have these different things. We have a gallery with different buttons, then we have a video edit, text, buttons again, then we have some booking options right here within our website. We also have like a menu because it's a catering website, and then we also have reviews. So we can also create a website like this on Blocksy. Here's another example of one of the websites created with Blocksy, and you can see how cool this website looks. And Blocksy is highly customizable theme that allows us to actually create our own products and store as well. So this is kind of like a store. You can see how good it looks. We have our banner images, we have buttons, we have reviews given, and we have our different options as well. So this is another example of Blocksy website. Now let's move on and add Blocksy to our WordPress so that we can also create a website. Go to your WordPress. This is my WordPress right here, and this is my main dashboard, and I want to change my theme to Blocksy. In order to do that, I will simply have to scroll down because I have a lot of plugins right here. So we have appearance, and in appearance, I'm going to go to themes. So in themes, we have Blocksy. You can see we can search installed themes and then we can add a new one. I will just show you in a minute how to actually upload a theme that you already have. So let's go to our themes right here. These are already installed ones, but I'm going to go to add new and look for Blocksy. So you can see we have more than 200 themes available on WordPress. So you just have to scroll down and look for Blocksy. It will be right here in the popular themes because it is a very popular theme. Okay, there it is. We have a Blocksy. So I'm gonna give you a preview of this theme. Let's go to preview. Okay, so this is how Blocksy will look like. You can see this is the view of Blocksy. We have like a header, and then we have all of these different blocks right here, and you could add anything. We have tags, we have links, HTMLs, and this is going to be the footer. Okay, so this is the look of Blocksy, and why it's called Blocksy, because you can see it works in blocks, and even the websites created with it, they show this block view, and it looks really nice. If you like a website like this, I personally do, then you can see that is why it's called Blocksy, because like things are in different blocks, you can see, and it looks really nice. So we are getting the preview right here. You can see all of the different blocks are available. The theme looks perfect. Now what you have to do is click on this install button given here, and it will install Blocksy for you. I'm just going to enter my FTP information. Okay, so you'll just click on install, and then it will be start installing, and it will just take like a minute or a few seconds to install, and then you will be able to find Blocksy in your installed themes. Let's say that you do not find Blocksy right here in your themes, you're not finding it, or you have actually bought a Blocksy Pro. So what to do then? You will simply go to, of course, the Blocksy website, and you can see right here we can download Blocksy here. You can also check out the pricing plan for Blocksy. So let me just quickly show you. So you can see right here, there's a personal for one use, one site license, $49, professional 69, agency $99. So this is going to be for Blocksy right here. And you can see all of the different features given here. With the Pro version, you will be getting multiple conditional sidebars, custom fonts, post type extras, advanced menu, and more. So if you download one of these, like you download a Blocksy Professional, you will just click on free download and download your theme, and then go to your WordPress, simply go to add themes, and then you will click on upload theme. Click on upload theme and it will allow you to upload a theme that you have downloaded. So this is another way to add Blocksy to your website. And now I will simply take you to my Blocksy that I have installed. Now I have Blocksy and you can see this is the look of our Blocksy theme. How to use it and how we can actually, using a theme is really easy on WordPress, and how we create a website. It's just the same how we do it. You will simply, select different elements and you can just, customize your text right here. You can customize your different blocks and you could just like simply add text. You can customize the blocks as well, and you can actually open each of the block separately because it's like our main page. This is our parent page right here, and then we have sub pages as well. So I will take you to a sub page and show you. All right, you can see this is our sub page, and of course I can make like a privacy policy page. Now it depends on me. I have Blocksy and I will use it to create a website. I can add sub pages, I can edit my header, I can edit my footer. So the look of a Blocksy is how we use it to create a website is that we simply add a header right here, and in header we kind of like go for a hero banner, and then we can add different blocks. We can add reviews. If you have different products, you can go for a product gallery, then you can get your products from WooCommerce. And then we also have different blocks for booking. If you have any menus, if it's a catering website, that is why I wanted to show you some of the examples, so you will get an inspiration that how to actually use Blocksy to create a website. You can see we can create a menu and then a hero image. That is what I'm gonna do, and then we can add some of the images right here. Like if you have a photography website, then you can kind of like go this with these blocks. So we can customize the blocks the way we want on Blocksy and create a highly customizable WordPress website, which is also really interactive. If we talk about some of the main tools that you will be getting on Blocksy, I think I should show you from the website and you will get a better idea. So with Blocksy, if we talk about the core features, we have SEO optimized, social friendly, custom widgets are available, live search, sticky sidebars, WooCommerce Extra, lazy loading, instant customization, integrated schema, color scheme editors. We have sticky headers, widget areas, child theme, image aspect ratio, and responsive and retina ready. So these are the main core features you will be getting with Blocksy. Now, simply go to your WordPress and add Blocksy as your theme and use it to create a professional website of your own. It will help you create a store and it will help you get the website of your dream. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Blocksy WordPress theme. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.